obviously it's not like a normal paper roll, it's like still a contest.
Okay, I think your business should be on the rolls.
Patent it before anything, because now that your idea is out there, you never know who might get there first.
Please don't steal our idea.
Start all over again. Is there anything you would like to do differently?
I know for a fact I would not do engineering. I have nothing against it. I would not do engineering.
You're suddenly going to mature and all that. Confusion is going to be along with you for the rest of your life. Be one with it. Be prepared to embrace
I just wanted
it.
to give high five to Vijay.
And hence it'll seem heavier. I think that's what you
Yes,
need.
sir. The second
Yes,
one,
sir.
that it won't
Second
expand, but
group के बारे में moving hands, it seems it is called
Third item for round 3 is a sanitizer. Ashita.
Now can dance and have fun.
Okay.
So you
Everyone
can
let's
choose.
ask Pooja and Melissa, what do you all want to be?
Regret nothing, but I regret coming here. You guys, guys.
Okay, name 3 things you can brush.
You can brush as in teeth, shoes, and utensils.
Okay.
To the customer. Do you have a shop or you have a delivery?
Then, still they are continuing? How they manage it? Yeah, okay. So
Then like they had
how they managed it?
What do you say? Say no because you have a child and you can't go home. Answer, who is it?
Should I answer the phone?
Yeah,
Yes.
why will you not answer the phone?
You guys talking so superb and so smart and so confident. I mean, even now, when there are a lot of people who go for interviews on real jobs and real careers, they don't have half the confidence you guys have. So keep up on that. Good job. Okay?
Everything is transparent between the website and the customers.
Your work for the first time, there are going to be, you won't know what you're doing. It doesn't even matter if you're an accountant. You go into a company, they'll have 1,000 different ways of doing what you had learned. And that you can
I
overcome.
don't have any much. When I'm with the students, I'm always happy.
I'm ex-IHS batch, so I know where all of you all are coming from. And keep the competitive spirit going. Keep being curious. It's very important. And have fun while it lasts in school.
I tell you, my favorite memory has to be Shekhraj Auditorium. Like anything and everything in Shekhraj Auditorium, I was so into it. And my favorite food from the canteen was definitely, okay, there are 2, samosa and kachori. I can't live without that.
Well done. You have clearly explained.
Peace to the eyes to see your vlogs. Wonderful job done by the
We
girls.
could see your innovation and creativity, and you got a good opportunity.
An excellent job. And Roshni ma'am was mentioning it. It's the first time the girls are doing it, and everyone took lots of effort. It's a very good outlet for people to think about more on accounting side.
Seeing this, you've done a really wonderful job. Very well done, girls. And may the spirit of this kind of competition always be there, and do the best that you can when any work is given to you. It was really amazing.
It was very insightful, and thank you so much for sharing a lot of new information that not many people know about. So you guys have done a good job.
We have gained insight into each and every aspect of your pestle analysis, etc. Thank you, girls. It was a good presentation.
Some great entries, great thinking, and extremely talented people. We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. I had a great time.
Kudos to all you girls for having put up such wonderful presentations. It